Have you ever been told to do something you knew was wrong, but everyone else was doing it? This is the story of three brave friends, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They were living in a land called Babylon, far from home. The king at that time, Nebuchadnezzar, built a huge golden statue and made a strict rule. When the music plays, everyone must bow down to the statue. But these three men followed God, and they knew bowing to a statue was wrong. So when the music played, they stood tall. The king was furious. "Bow down," he shouted, "or I'll throw you into a blazing furnace." But Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego calmly replied, "We won't serve your gods or worship your statue. Our God can save us, but even if he doesn't, we will still not bow." That made the king even angrier. He ordered the furnace to be heated, 7 times hotter. The fire was so hot, it even killed the soldiers who threw the men inside. But here's the amazing part. When the king looked into the flames, he jumped up in shock. "Didn't we throw 3 men into the fire? I see 4. And one looks like a divine being. God had sent someone to protect them. They weren't burned. Not even their clothes smelled like smoke." King Nebuchadnezzar was amazed. He called them out of the fire and said, "Praise be to the God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. No other God can save like this." Because these 3 men stood firm in their faith, God stood with them in the fire. So what can we learn from this story? When you stand up for what's right, even when it's hard, God is with you. He sees your courage, and he honors your faith. Sometimes doing the right thing means standing alone, but you're never truly alone, because God never leaves those who trust in him.